Have you ever felt like you lost everything? No money, no support, no direction, just pain and confusion. This is where most people give up. But this is also where your real power begins. Niccolò Machiavelli once taught that life is not fair and the world does not reward weakness. It rewards those who learn, adapt, and rise again. So how do you rebuild your life from zero? First, accept your reality. Stop pretending things are okay when they are not. Machiavelli believed that facing the truth, no matter how painful, is the first step to gaining control. You lost something, maybe everything, but denial will not save you. Clarity will. Second, stop waiting for help. Nobody is coming to rescue you. This may sound harsh, but it is also freeing. The moment you stop expecting help is the moment you take full control of your life. Machiavelli taught that depending too much on others makes you weak. If you want to rise, you must become your own support system. Third, use what you have, not what you wish you had. You may not have money, but you have time. You may not have connections, but you have your mind. You may not have comfort, but you have hunger. And hunger is powerful. Fourth, be strategic, not emotional. When life breaks you, emotions can destroy your decisions. Machiavelli believed that success comes to those who think ahead. Do not act out of anger, fear, or desperation. Think, plan, move wisely. Even small steps matter. Fifth, rebuild your reputation. When you lose everything, people may doubt you. They may look down on you. Let them. Focus on becoming disciplined, consistent, and reliable. Your actions will speak louder than your past. Machiavelli understood that how people see you matters. So build a new image, one of strength and resilience. Finally, never waste your pain. Pain can destroy you, or it can transform you. Every failure teaches something. Every loss reveals a weakness you can fix. Use your pain as fuel. Because the truth is, starting from zero is not the end. It is a rare opportunity. You are no longer tied to your past. You are free to rebuild, stronger, wiser, and smarter. And remember this: the people who rise the highest are not those who never fall, but those who refuse to stay down. So, if you are at zero right now, this is your beginning, not your end.